So the other portion of my garden is the wire shelves on rollers, and on the bottom is what I've been doing mostly is my lettuce grower. It's a 14-gallon Lowe's cement mixing tub that I've got covered with insulation foam with holes drilled through it, and the instead of 2-inch net cups, I've been using the 3-ounce plastic cups with holes burned through them with a soldering iron. And then the next shelf up is the General Hydroponic salad box with Mizuna and pak choi in it. And then reason my plants on the bottom shelf are not any more advanced than they are is because I tried to use pelleted seeds for the first time in the Jiffy 7s, and they did not sprout. So I reseeded with regular loose seed that I had, and I finally have growth. You can see at an early stage, this is about a little bit less than a week's growth. They're just sprouting. And you can see the clear plastic cups I use for humidity domes. On the next shelf up I'm running an experiment with the rock wool cubes. I found a supply of my rock wool cubes and went ahead and wet those down, and over to the far right is asparagus, or not asparagus, but celery that I got seed for, and trying to see if I can get those to come up. And then I've got pelleted alpine strawberry seeds, and then the last 4 blocks there are the seeds that failed to come up for the bottom grower. I've got 2 of the Butter Crunch and 2 of the romaine. And I've got them under the light shelves to see if they'll come up. I don't have a humidity dome that'll go over the tray there, but eventually I'll get one of those going. On the next shelf up, you can see my loose collection of stuff there. I've got a bunch of the 3x4 vinyl downspouts that I've got prepared for growing if I ever get around to it. They're a little bit more shallow. I actually had them, I cut them at 43 inches and 30 inches, but I figured they're a little more shallow than the tubs there, and maybe they'll give me more room between the lights and the growing area. But I also plan to take these outside and try them outside as soon as I can, as soon as the weather gets a little bit better. That's all I've got for now, so I'm going to close this out.